Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about our latest product Good and how you can install our assets using Gulp. So before we get started, we first need to purchase and download the new template that we created. Good, you can do that from Bootstrap's marketplace. So you just go to getthemes.getbootstrap.com, and this is our React template. So this is the latest updates or the latest product for Good. But just scroll down a little bit more and you see our admin HTML version right here, and you can click on that and then just add it to cart and then purchase it. And once you've purchased it, you should look something like this right here. Just unzip it and you have our main folder structure that you have known to be familiar with all of our other products within Keen Themes. So in this video, we just be talking about how you can just install our assets using Gulp, and to do that is again very simple and similar with our other products. You just go to your theme, you go to tools, and you open up the terminal right here and you run your Gulp commands. Now if you don't know where your Gulp commands are located, what you can do is once you've downloaded the package and unzipped it, you just go to dist, go to index, just open it into your browser, and then once you're here, go to the documentation, click on that and go to the quick install. Then what you do is follow the steps all the way to the end, and this is where you start downloading the dependencies, and this is where you start building your assets. So let's go ahead and do this step right here. So we've opened up the terminal from our tools folder and we just need to run Gulp. Alright, that's done. In fact, let's take another step and do our localhost or start up our localhost. So let's do this: Gulp localhost, and copy our localhost URL and put it into our browser. Go to dist, and now we have Good running on our localhost environment, not using built our assets using Gulp. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like if you did. And please also subscribe to our YouTube channel because we'll be releasing a lot more videos for Good coming soon. Please follow us on our social media. Links will be in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.